Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, August 24th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Lower trade once again in corn and beans, and majority of wheat markets. It did look like Kansas City was able to come back and close about 1/4 to 1/2 cent higher on the day. Otherwise, corn down about 1.5, 2 cents. Soybeans down about 8.5, and then wheat market anywhere from 3 to 5 cents lower in those areas. You did have a bit lower trade into soybeans. They were able to close off their lows at one point, being down about 17 to 20 cents there, but they were able to come back as you're not getting a whole lot of information. Pro Farmer did release some information for Iowa here today, and it was a bit mixed. They had one area of Iowa that was a little bit lower in corn yield, but then the middle area was higher, and then that actually was flip-flop for the soybean situation. But for the most part, you're getting some huge pod counts out of this Pro Farmer, which, you know, a lot of people are starting to scramble saying, you know, are you going to get an even higher yield here in soybeans? So that's one thing to note there, as you're hearing some good stories there. Corn's been all over the place. We know it's a good crop there, but they've had some surprising. The problem is a lot of times they're a bit off from where you have USDA come into right now, and so that'll change moving forward, but it does offer some information. It does look like the forecast is favorable for crops. It looks like above average temperatures for majority of this time frame, and then also moving into the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day. It does look like rain's there as well, so you need this rain to let off a little bit. You're extremely wet in some areas, Missouri, Iowa, southern Illinois, southern Indiana. Also, there's some talk of a hurricane coming through, and that can kind of change some events here and push that weather to change all the way into the corn belt actually and cause some issues. So we're watching that as well. Meat markets all lower. Live cattle down 87.5, feeders down well over $1. Lean hogs slightly lower as well, as you got some lower cash trades into the day. And then those outside markets a little bit unfavorable, with crude down 50, the dollar up, and the Dow was down slightly as well. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.